Okay, today we are going to solve an equation using distributive property. It's 3 parenthesis x plus 2 minus 7 plus 2x equal 14. Okay, when we use the distributive property, our goal is to use what's outside of the parenthesis. It gets multiplied to everything that's inside your parenthesis. So here's my 3. It's going to get multiplied to my x and my 2. So let's go ahead and write that down. So that will leave us with 3x plus 3 times 2 will give me 6. And I'm going to write everything else down. Okay, the remaining problem. All right, so the next step is for us to combine my terms. I see that I can combine my 3x and my 2x. So let's go ahead and do the math. 3 plus 2, that would leave me with 5x. Okay, there's also something else I can combine. I have my positive 6 and my negative 7. So let's go ahead and do the math. 6 minus 7, that would leave me with negative 1. And that's going to equal to 14. Okay, so let's continue to solve. This shows that this is a two-step problem. When we get to this part, we have to do the inverse operation. It's telling me here this is negative 1. Okay, we got to do the inverse operation of that minus 1, so that means we have to add 1 to both sides. This cancels. That leaves me with 5x is equal to 14 plus 1, that is 15. Now I'm down to a one-step equation. My goal, once again, is to get the variable by its lonesome. So it's attached to my x by multiplication. I do the inverse operation, divide both sides by 5, cancel, leaves me with x is equal to 3. Hope that makes sense to you. Now, the second part, after we solve, we need to check. Checking would tell us that we solved correctly, that x is actually 3. So let's go ahead and prove that we solved this equation correctly. So I'm going to rewrite the problem. 3 parenthesis x plus 2 minus 7 plus 2x equal 14. Okay, once again, we found our variable, x is equal to 3. So I'm going to substitute in my value for x, which is 3. Okay, and then rewrite the remaining problem. Now here's another variable, substituted in for my 3, equal 14. Hope that's making sense to you so far. So now let's go ahead and see if all of this is going to add up and equal to 14. So I'm going to do what's in the parenthesis. So that's 3, according to order of operations. So we do what's in the parenthesis, 3 plus 2, that is 5. And I'm just going to write down the remaining problem. Do the math here, 2 times 3, that will give me 6, is equal to 14. Okay, multiplication here again, 3 times 5, that's 15. I'm going to write everything else down. Okay, it's a little work here to check, but it's very important that you check. Now let's go ahead and do the simple math. 15 minus 7, that would leave me with 8, plus 6, and I bring my 14 down. Simple math again, 8 plus 6, that will give me 14. Is 14 equal 14? You bet. Remember, You can pause the video if you're working along with me, or you can replay as many times as you like.